Have you ever been stuck waiting for plumbing services? And when they do show up, it takes twice as long as predicted? With years of experience, the staff at Brewer Commercial is redefining the art of professional plumbing for the commercial customer. We've earned a reputation of reliable and quick commercial plumbing services. Our staff is fully licensed, bonded, and insured to provide any type of plumbing service imaginable. We even specialize in backflow and hydrojetting services for multiple commercial industries in the Arizona market. We know everyone has a budget and every project has a price range. The technicians at Brewer Commercial go over the costs, and we work within your budget, even in an emergency. For the highest quality work at competitive prices, contact Brewer Commercial Plumbing today.